Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete search history in YouTube all at once. So let's begin. So here we are in YouTube, and the first thing that we need to do is tap here on the bottom right of our screen on your profile picture, and from here you would be able to see this, and from this you want to go into the settings. So in the top right here, so tap on your settings icon, and from here you want to go as tap on your data in YouTube. And once you tap on it, you want to search or tap on your account right here. So for example, I will build this one right here. Now all we have to do is wait. And as you can see now, if it's your first time, then this is what YouTube would show you. And yeah, this is now my history right here. So all I have to do, you can also see your watch history right here. And you can search for your search history right here. As you can see, here it is right here. So from here you want to tap on manage your search history right here, so that you would be able to delete all your search history. So tap on this one, and from here we just want to wait for it to load. And now that we are here, we can dismiss this right here. So we have the option to delete right here, so tap on it. And from here you want to go delete all time, custom range, and so on. But in my case, I want to delete all time, so tap on delete all time right here and tap on delete right now. And after that, deletion is completed, and that is how I deleted my search history in one go. And that's basically it for this
If you
video.
found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.